Hello everyone. Yeah, good day once again. Welcome to Thinkally tutorial. We are continuing this tutorial and this is tutorial number 14. Thinkally is Nigeria's largest school management software, as you all know. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add exam attendance. I told you Thinkally has everything. It can even help you take attendance for each examination. I head over to the demo school login that I have been using. Of course, your school should have been given your own login. So I'm going to be logging in to the demo school. So demo. Of course, you can go to that same demo account and check out all of the things we have been talking about. I sign in. Okay, I want to show you how to add examination attendance. I head on to the exam module and I click exam attendance. Of course, you see what you have here. Very simple. You can just click add exam attendance or quickly check if there is any attendance that has been marked for any of the exams. I'm not going to do that right now. I just click, you see it, add exam attendance. I'm clicking add exam attendance. You click here, select the exam. You go select any of the exams that have been created. Select the exam, select the class, select the section, and you select any of the subject for which you want to mark attendance, and you click attendance. Of course, here's what you see. You see the student list, you see the names of the students, you see the section here, and then you just mark attendance. Of course, it's either present or absent. Add exam attendance. If you uncheck it, it means the child wasn't present in the examination. But if you check it, it means the child was present in the examination. And it is, as you are clicking it, it is reflecting. So you see the green success button for each one you mark. Okay, check, check, check. So for this particular examination, attendance has been marked and there's nothing to submit really. All of the children are present. If you want to change that, you can change that and it stays like that. How do we check which exam has been marked or not marked? I go back to that. I click exam attendance. This time around I want to check exam attendance for a particular class in a particular exam term. In a particular exam, I click the subject, that is, I select the exam, select the class, select the subject, you view attendance. Immediately what you see is, can you see it? Oh great, this student is present, absent. Remember, I marked him absent in the last when I was marking the exam attendance. Present. That is it. You can download it, you can copy it, you can download in Excel, you can download a CSV file, and you can also download as PDF. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create mark distribution. It's getting interesting, isn't it? Thank you. So see you in the next tutorial.